PVC that was already installed. This is kind of where we started working. You see the purple? That's a fitting we put in, and that's a fitting we put in, and this is fitting with this piece of pipe. This is plastic. Right here begins a liner. Right here, this is liner. This is not PVC pipe. This is the liner inside the old pipe. So we took the roots out, and this just conforms to the pipe. There's actually a 45-degree bend at some point, and you'll see how good it looks. Here it comes. But we're making a turn now. You got turns coming up?
Mm-hmm.
You see how this liner just conforms to the pipe?
Yeah.
Goes, and it goes. And typically we stop about a foot, sometimes 2 feet away from the main, depending. But in this case, we were able to get really close.
So that's the main?
That's the city main right there.
That's awesome.
That's the main. See the water running down the street?
Yeah.
So this line is, for all intents and purposes, new all the way to the main. So they pretty much will never have a problem with this.
That'll last pretty much forever?
Yeah.
And roots will not.
Or roots will never get in.
Roots will never get in it.
Roots will
Okay.
never get in.
That's great, Gary. That's excellent. What's the total length of it?
It was about 37 feet.
Wow.
So how should you connect the PVC line that existing to the new lining?
Same way that your son had connected it to the
But
old
it's not any
pipe.
gaps in there?
No gap. No.
Between, no?
No, you're fine. Everything's beautiful. This just will never. I don't think they could back it up from this house if they tried. I really don't think even if they tried. You know, you could flush whatever you want down there, golf balls, and once it gets out to this PVC, it's going all the way. So did you get to fix that toilet today? Did you get to fix that toilet today?
Yeah.
Because that toilet was running like mad. A
Yeah,
lot
she
of water
calls
being
us.
wasted here.
She called us on the weekend, so please fix it today. Change the pole.
No, I mean even before that when we got here last week.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.